Hey Gauri, so can you try this use case at your end? So basically, what I'm trying here, I'm trying to search based on the shifts, search employee based on the shifts. If I select any shifts which is getting populated after clicking on the input field, for example, this Monday 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. I'm getting results. If I select something like Wednesday 8 a.m., still getting results. Let me try something else. Okay, there might not be any employee with this shift. Okay, so basically what is happening here, I have created one shift and assigned it to one of the employees. So its employee name is George Bush and his shift on Saturday is 12 a.m. to 2 p.m. Now I'm searching here for Saturday 12 p.m. to 2 p.m. and now I'm searching it. It's not showing any results. I'm not sure why. Also, if I search for Friday, I'm getting this error. I mean, there are records with this shift. I mean, there are many records with this shift 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. So this is happening when I perform search in this field. Um, Let me try searching for Tuesday. So basically, the records which are not available for selection at first click, and if we are searching for those, it's throwing error. And for example, if I search for the Friday, this error is getting displayed. I'm not sure for Saturday why it is not showing the shift, showing the result correctly. Can you try this at your end and see if there is an issue? Thank you.